Howdy, your tour host, Rhys here, and I'm welcoming you to Rhys Trails Nature Preserve. Without further ado, let's give us a like, thumbs up, and let's go. What we'll find? Well, it'll be a surprise. Let's now take the gateway through. You see, just right here. But first, guys, gonna take a look before we head in. What appears to be is a springs of some sort peering through the gate. There's a falls right there. Okay, where is it? Just here. And we got some signs. Let's take the signs here. It says honey access, and up top it says mountain station. You see just here. So there's that so far. And now let's make our way up. And we'll see what we have. As you guys can see what I'm wearing. Picked it well. The camo jacket. The camo shirt. The brown pants. And the shoes. Here is more of it right here. Through the gate of it. There's what appears to be is some kind of a laneway. I'll zoom in from here. That's through the gate. That's that you know. Nice scenery. Nice rocky pathway. See the rocks there. Just gonna stop for a little few seconds as is. Something's untied. My shoe. Ground level. Get the greens in there. Got my shoes inside where the rocks are. Looks very nice. Dandelions. Okay. Oh wait. We see a sign right there. What does it read? Let's go close, guys. Come follow me and we'll see what this sign reads. Please stay on the trails. Enjoy the switchbacks, cutting corners, dornigades, the fourth floor. This is kind of, don't know, looks like it's kind of fading away there, but this used to be a sign. So we got some signage just right here. Just wanted to show that to you guys as well too. Sun is coming out, you can see. Got a little bit brighter over here. Okay, let's carry on. And again, don't forget to just want to like, and don't forget to sit someone around as well too. Anyways, I got some sightseeing I gotta do. I'm loving it. I'm digging it. Look, nice pathway too. We'll see just how far this goes. But first, guys, take a look. I don't know what this is. It looks to be and appears like a car or something. Let's take a look. Whoa, that's interesting. Look down. Yeah, it is a car, guys. A car. Just right here. That's weird. Let's take a look down. Whoa. Seriously? No, that one definitely caught my attention. Okay. Back on the trail. Well, it did say a cut somewhere. That was one right there. Guys, can take a look? I'll just zoom in from here. Wow. We have a down card down there. I don't know if it's seen that. Anyways, we got another cut down here. It did say that we got some nice, cool sights. What do we have here? We got a pit of some sort with some wires appearing just coming from it. Let's go take a look at that. Interesting looking pit. Whoa! Seriously! Let's get down here. I gotta be careful as I get down here, guys. But look, we got some more car parts. There's a tire. Do not know what that is. We got a few more cars. What it appears to be is we got some growth in the inside. Trees in that one. There's that. And we got a car way up there. Whoa, it's like a car graveyard. Interesting. What's that? Let's go check out that. So we'll be going in between things a little bit. And staying focused onto the trail of things. So wow, amazing. Okay, let's check out this. Wow. Interesting. Cool. The car part of some sort. Interesting. So another very interesting finds and other. So tell me what you think of this, guys. If you have any comments in regards to what you've just seen, don't forget to put that in the comment box, please. Anyways, let's carry on with the rest of our tour. So we'll look back and I'll show you. Oh, we got a bottle here on the ground. No message in the bottle. Gotta get up here. There. But yeah. More metal. Car parts where the rocks are. So it's like an old let me just take on that moment because something else coming to us. You see there's a car where the trees are. You see right there. Okay, back to what I was saying. It is an old mountain station that has some very ancient looking things, as well as some certain crashes up here. But overall, makes for very incredible finds. I'm just amazing on those sites. Wow. Anyways, let's move on up here, guys. Let's check out what we have up here as well. Again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Notice that tickle if you take a look down here. A little bit of mud with a little bit of running water, as you can see. Hope you can see that. I'm gonna try to find a not so muddy way up there. You can see my shoes got a little wet there. A little bit. Not by much though. Again, quite the rocky pathway too. There we go. That's much better. Oh, we got another sign. It says, Love Trails. Hope you can see that. You can make up that LOVE up there, guys. It says the Love Trails. And there's an arrow pointing right over there. So let's take this arrow and let's arrow our way into the next level. Okay, we're about to enter another pathway, guys.
Oh, you should actually go in this way. This is the best way.
Oh, okay. You hear, my friend? Another direction. We're about to go down there. Let's go down here. Oh, yeah, this is more of a better laneway. Guys, take a look. This must be a love trail, as it read. Let's take a look. Oh, guys, look at that right there. I'll zoom in. Almost looks like a hut. Twigs on the branches. Cool. Gate of some sort, guys. Gateway to what? Who knows? Just right there. And I heard that there's some sort of a lookout as well too. Let's go take that. Just up here. Nice rocks. Wow, look at that. Get a stretch down here. So this is what the preserve looks like for rails to trails so far. I'm gonna carry on and find out what else that it has as well. So far, we've seen a lot, and hopefully I'll find other amazing things along the way as I carry on with our rest of our tour adventure. Again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Again, don't forget to like. Wow. Very interesting. Hand on tree and make my way up. Another pathway just up there.
Sure. Yeah.
Tracks. Indentations.
Yeah.
More track indentations. So let's check up here, guys. Wherever that is, I have no clue. It looks interesting, whatever it is. Okay, back down. You can see more indentations. Don't know what made it though. Whatever it is, it's pretty big big marks. Close up at the marks. You can hear the birds. Okay, we can get here. You see different shades of mud. We got water mud and we got solid mud. Interesting. Never seen that before. Yeah. Now we got more to go up. Guys, can take a look. And over here, you see a pile of logs. Very long logs, to be exact. Balancing rock on top stump. We got an interesting looking rock here. See this right there. It too has rocks on top. That's an interesting way of balancing rocks. Close up at it. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, hey.
Yeah, I think you might like it down here.
What's this? Going on sign, guys?
Hello?
What does it say? It says Buddha.
That's MasterCard.
Yeah. Right here. Let's get on down. But first, let's get spinning from here. This must be the spring, maybe. That I was talking about. Maybe he was. I wonder. As is, it appears to be a bridge. Let's go take it. It's just right there, guys. I'll go zoom in. Let's head on. Nice bridgeway. Walking through Zone Bridge. Hopefully it's nice and sturdy. It's like something magical this way comes. Who knows where this will take me? Let's gotta stop here. Oh, we got another one right here. Let's go take that as well too. Okay, so here is bike trails. So I want to let you know that these are bike trails, so I'm gonna have to be careful on oncoming bikers. Well, so far it's doing pretty good. But a little showing at them. We got a creek there on my left. A little tiny creek on my right here. So, yeah. We're taking another bike trail. We got another one just up there. Almost got like a little hot way of branches. You see just right there. Actually, we got two. We got one here and one over there on my left. So that's what this one looks like. Let's go down here and take this one. A larger creek. Let's look under it. Kind of bad spacing to be a bike trail. Tyre could probably get right through these a little bit too.
Yeah, well, they're always going straight, so.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it for the ramps. I just kind of wanted to show you that part.
Okay. Sounds good.
So.
Okay. Well, so there you go. There's the bike ramps. Now let's make our way back, and
I would recommend going on this one's a little up there.
yeah, we'll head back and then go up a next level. I'll use that tune for next level, as they say on what? And Nintendo game. Something like that. Just want to add a little sound effect to it. What appears to be clay. Guys, look. We got some clay just right here. You can see that I'm pointing at. It's all natural clay. Just to let you know. Being nature preserve, what you're seeing here is completely all natural and full of nature. Okay, let's make a merry way back, and we'll get to those other ones so you can see what else we have up here. You know what? Rails to Trails Nature Preserve, which is what this is. Just to let you know. Back at the springs again. Here's another trail on the way down. It says CL. I don't know what the other one is, but it is a trail. I don't think there's much down there to see, but I just wanted to show you that sign from up there. But yeah, so far we've been through a lot and got a lot of great footage. I'm happy about that, at least. It goes on for quite some time, but we'll see what we can find within our time that we have. But I'm just amazed that we caught a lot of amazing things, very rare finds, and some incredible, epic scenery and sights within this video. And hopefully we'll find a cabin, if we can find it, on this tour. And other things. It all depends on what trail we take and what section that we're taking. Just so you all know. Down trees. Another pathway just down there. I'll zoom in from here. Oh, I see a sign. I'll zoom in. Boneyard. Seriously? Boneyard? Whoa. I don't know what that means. Bones? Or trees? I don't know. Want to find out? Let's go down. Well, see if you see bones. So it could be just things like this. I don't know. Even though the sign does read Boneyard. As it reads there. Oh, I think I know what you're probably referring to, guys. I think it's just bare trees. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah. I think that's what they, meaning boneyard, is bare trees. Yeah, so I guess that's what these are. Bones of trees. This one here kind of looks like a vertebrae. So that could be a bone that they're saying that sign to. On twigs that look like bones. Give it up for the Boneyard. Part of what? Rails to Trails Nature Preserve. And up here, this too also says Boneyard on too. You can see the wording. But pretty interesting too. Okay, if I know what's coming up, hopefully I'll get a call soon about the Touchstones Museum. And once I get the confirmation, then we'll get right into it. And again, secret place there, the Dyfner bunker. I'll take a look at that at the end. At the end part. So something very epic at the end, which is always good for that. So please stay tuned for that. Again, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, this is what I like. As is, let's continue on the rest of our tour adventure. We got one trail that's unfortunately closed. Get tell by that tape. Probably because of protection.
Logging.
Oh, walking.
Logging.
Oh, logging. Excuse me. My goodness. So yeah, there's that too. So that's but the thing is, we've been through a lot of trails so far, and I'm really happy about that too. So this gives you almost a full scope. I can't do every little thing because this will go on forever if that's the case. But we've been through a lot so far, and we covered a lot, which I'm pretty happy about. Anyways, with enough said, let's view some other amazing sceneries. Here we are with 26 minutes in counting. As now we get to another creek of some sort. I'm gonna have to take the dry way over. If I can. Just gotta be careful. Slippery when wet rocks are. So 3, 2, 1, boom! I just had to jump that. Back where I jumped, I had to jump from over there to this right here. So, not a pretty far jump, which is pretty good. Oh wait, look what this sign says. It says, Angelet. Legalize it, excuse me. I could have read a little wrong there, guys. I apologize about that. Legalize it.
They changed it to legalized it.
Oh.
It's been legalized.
Almost reminds me of that Peter Tosh song. Legalize it. Don't criticize it. Well, anyways, here's the bridge. Well, not really a bridge. I'm gonna jump maybe for a bike. Guys can take a look under. Old man's beard. This is what this is here. They're putting it on the ground. That came from one of these trees. Somewhere. I hope you enjoyed the tour so far. As it is, we're about to head back pretty soon here. But we'll go on for a bit, and then we'll have to mosey on back. But so far we got a lot, which I'm really happy about. Give it up for Rails to Trails Nature Preserve. And on the title, I'll put it as Northern BC's Rails to Trails Nature Preserve. And I'll be pounding it almost like that too in the description as well, so you guys can see how I pounded it. Peace. Let's get the sun in there. Get the walking stick that my friend is holding in his hand. Swing it to and fro. It's pretty cool. I'll zoom in one more time. Get the sun inside there. It's very nice. Old man's beard all along this branch here. As you can see. Get them more of the greens. Different shade of greens. Let's take a look at it. Quickly. Almost looks Celtic. Yeah, it does. Different shades of greens. A little bit of St. Patrick's up here. Cool. I'm digging it. How did that get stuck inside there? Let's take a look. Completely wedged in the trees there, guys. How did that get stuck inside there? Oh, whoever put it in there probably has some great strength shoving that big tree stump inside there. And here we are with 30 minutes in counting. Not bad for timing. And now, firstly, we have to get back now, so gonna head back, and hopefully we'll find things on the way back. And again, thank you for tuning in and for watching our adventure tour. I'll tell you what our next tour adventure will be when I look in my notebook, which is in this right here. I'll tell you what that is, let alone others as well too, and see what our next adventure will be. Again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Guys, can you take a look at some logs? Gonna log that one off, guys. I just had to. We'll log that one off. I just saw it fit being logs. Why not just throw that word into it? And in here, we've got a big root of a tree there. So I have to take a look at it. What the heck? Did you those barking spiders? My goodness, see, we got a barking spider here, guys. Anyways, let's take a look into that. I mean, that thing there. Okay, being that, we got some bikers. Gotta get the bikers in there.
Hi.
Howdy.
How are ya?
Doing good?
Yeah.
Enjoy your time up here.
Thanks, you too.
Welcome. Oh, amazing. We got some bikers in there, guys. Really good. Think we have, yeah, we've been down there. Okay. Anyways, I'm keeping track on my time, guys. Right here. It is, whoa, 11:06. So, it's 11:06 right now. Nothing BC time. So, anyways, I wish those buckers a happy time up here. Rails to trails, nature preserve. So, and they welcomed me. This is pretty cool too. So, get in there. Anyways, let's mosey on back, guys. So I saw butterfly. I saw it, but oh wait. Hope you managed to see that, guys. A butterfly. I saw it. It's a pretty fast flyer too. Down to the ground. It's pretty cool from here. And I can see my shoes are nice and dry. Go. Wait, look. Cool. When you hang back, we get this. That's cool. Is this it, guys? Whoa. That's pretty cool. Interesting find on the way out. Slick. We found a treasure right there, hanging out that tree. Did you guys see that? Cool. I'm digging it. And here we are with 35 minutes and counting. Back to where the cars are. the rocky patch. Back to the sign. Back to where we were at from before, as you can see, appearing through the greens. Yeah, right here. Guys can take a look back here again. Feel back at the falls again. And there's where we entered and about to exit as well too. Guys can take a look back at the grid again. Sun got brighter. Look at that right there. Look at that nice bright sun. It looks like a gem up in a nice cerulean blue sky. Now it's that, it hits on the trees, turning them nice and golden. Doesn't that look beautiful? Wow, that's very beautiful. Look back at the creek. Let's go up close here, guys. Open the pipe. Down. Nothing there. I got some leaves moving around due to the wind at the current that's going on. I'm just gonna hang over here, get ourselves back, and then we'll end from here. And I'll end our journey tour. Okay, thank you for watching, for tuning in. I'll see you back for our next adventure. This is from Sully, your tour host, Rhys. Peace. Now, let's scene this one out.